This video compares two software tools. An AI voice walks you through everything clearly.
Tickmill positions itself as a broker, built for traders who prioritize execution speed, tight spreads, and transparency rather than flashy bonuses or aggressive marketing. One of the platform's standout strengths is execution quality. Orders are generally filled quickly with minimal slippage, even during volatile market conditions, which is critical for news traders, scalpers, and short-term strategies that rely on precise entry and exit timing. Many traders highlight the consistency of fills and the overall stability of the trading environment during high liquidity sessions. Tickmill supports MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, making it highly compatible with expert advisors, custom indicators, and automated trading systems. This is a strong advantage for traders who rely on algorithmic strategies or prefer a familiar, professional trading interface. Leverage can go as high as 1 to 1,000 depending on jurisdiction, providing flexibility for smaller accounts, though it requires disciplined risk management. The broker also supports multiple base currencies, helping traders avoid unnecessary conversion fees, and offers Islamic swap-free trading for those who need it. Another positive is Tickmill's operational simplicity. The platform avoids unnecessary distractions, focusing instead on core trading functionality. Deposit and withdrawal processes are generally described as predictable, with traders often noting consistent processing times compared to less established brokers. This reliability matters for traders who value access to their funds without delays or excessive manual intervention. On the downside, Tickmill is not a feature-heavy ecosystem. You won't find the integrated copy trading networks, social feeds, or advanced analytics dashboards built into the platform. Educational resources exist but remain fairly basic, which may challenge complete beginners who need structured learning support. Promotions and bonuses are limited, which some traders appreciate for transparency, while others may view it as a lack of onboarding incentives. In terms of background, Tickmill was founded in 2014 and has steadily built a reputation around institutional-style pricing and execution quality. Over time, it has expanded its regulatory presence and global client base, with a clear focus on professional and cost-conscious traders rather than casual speculators. This conservative growth strategy has helped Tickmill maintain consistency rather than chasing rapid expansion. Now, looking at account structure and pricing. Tickmill offers a commission-free option where trading costs are embedded directly into the spread, appealing to traders who prefer simple, predictable pricing. For traders who want tighter pricing precision, there is a raw spread option where spreads can drop to zero during liquid market hours, paired with a low fixed commission per lot. Minimum deposits remain relatively accessible, allowing traders to start without oversized commitments. Overall, Tickmill's pricing structure rewards disciplined, cost-aware traders who value execution reliability and low trading costs over flashy features and marketing extras. Darwinex takes a very different approach from traditional retail brokers. Instead of focusing purely on trading, Darwinex is built around turning trading strategies into investable assets. One of its most distinctive features is the Darwin concept, where a trader's strategy is converted into a risk-normalized index that investors can allocate capital to. This structure separates trading skill from raw account size, allowing talented traders to attract investment without managing external funds directly. Darwinex places a strong emphasis on transparency and risk management. Strategies are monitored, standardized, and evaluated using objective metrics, which appeals to investors looking for disciplined trading behavior rather than high-risk speculation. The platform also provides detailed analytics, performance data, and risk statistics, giving both traders and investors a clear view of strategy behavior over time. Execution quality is solid, supported by institutional-grade infrastructure, and the platform integrates with MetaTrader for strategy execution. However, Darwinex is not designed for casual traders. The interface and overall workflow are more complex, and traders must understand risk controls, drawdown limits, and performance consistency to succeed on the platform. This creates a higher barrier to entry compared to traditional brokers. The biggest advantage of Darwinex is capital attraction. Through programs like seed capital allocations and investor exposure, skilled traders can earn performance fees without raising money independently. This makes Darwinex especially appealing to traders who think long-term and want to build a verifiable track record. On the downside, traders looking for fast profits, bonuses, or simplified trading experiences may find Darwinex restrictive and demanding. Darwinex was founded in 2012 and positioned itself early as a bridge between retail trading and asset management. Over the years, it evolved into a regulated investment platform focused on transparency, strategy, standardization, and investor trust. Its growth has been driven less by mass retail adoption and more by attracting serious traders and investors who value structure and accountability. Now, looking at pricing and account structure. Darwinex operates differently from traditional brokers. Traders pay standard trading costs such as spreads and commissions, but the real earning potential comes from performance fees. When investors allocate capital to a Darwinex charges management and performance fees, and the trader receives a share of the performance fee. This means profitability depends not only on trading results, but also on attracting and retaining investor capital. There is no focus on minimum deposits in the traditional sense. Instead, the emphasis is on building a strong, consistent track record. Looking at customer sentiment, Tickmill holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.6, with many traders praising execution speed, tight spreads on raw pricing, and reliable trading conditions. Comments often highlight smooth order fills and predictable withdrawals, while criticism usually centers on limited features rather than trust. Darwinex carries a Trustpilot rating of 4.2, with users frequently praising transparency, analytics quality, and the opportunity to attract investor capital. Positive reviews often mention professionalism and the uniqueness of turning trading strategies into investable products. Final takeaway: if you want a straightforward, execution-focused broker with low costs and a clean trading environment, Tickmill is the stronger choice for active and cost-conscious traders. If your goal is to build a long-term trading track record, attract investor capital, and operate in a more professional asset management style environment, Darwinex stands in a completely different category built around performance and transparency. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest broker and platform breakdowns, and click the link below to access the platform that best fits how you trade, manage risk, and build long-term confidence with clarity and control.